Hi everyone, I'm Alex and I teach sociology at the Sixth Form College. I also look after the humanities, languages and literature pathway, and this is Lulu. We're all working really hard to ensure your start to life at college is as normal as possible. To help you, we'll be sending you lots of information, but more importantly, your teachers will be sending you a number of transition tasks to help get you ready for your A-level and BTEC courses. They really are important for our teachers as they will help them get to know you quicker. So it's really important you spend lots of time and effort on these tasks. They really will help. And if you get stuck, don't be afraid to ask. These tasks were really important when I came to the college as a 16-year-old over 20 years ago, but they're even more important this year. I look forward to seeing you soon, and if you do any of our courses in tail pulling, tickling, or putting food in your hair, you might see Lulu too. Bye!